It's a lot of hard work. We have an incredible staff. You know, we use a system that we call the one team effect. So everybody here can do just about everybody else's job. We've been making king cakes, you know, ever since we first opened in 1993. They're going to hook that up and actually put the dough inside the rounder, and it'll make it into a complete ball. What kind of king cakes y'all are making? Strawberry cream cheese. People aren't happy if they don't have a baby inside their king cake. People expect it. It definitely brings people together. People enjoy it, you know. I mean, the whole reason for the baby in a king cake is whoever gets it needs to purchase the next king cake. That tradition needs to stay solid. Now she's rolling them up into kind of like a cigar, and then she's going to braid those two together. So this is called the proofer, and what it does, it just speeds up the process of allowing the yeast to rise inside the king cakes. I tell you what, this past Saturday, it was like 3 buses unloaded out in front of the bakery. It was packed inside of here. People get this king cake anxiety, you know, and they want to come and get one. We'll ship them too, you know, and I probably lose money on shipping, but it makes the customer happy. It's the time of the year where you'd rather take off and not be here, or go snow skiing like a lot of people do. But you know what? It's big business for us, you know, so we get excited about not only being able to provide a product for everybody that they really want at this time of the year, which is exciting, but it's also good and healthy for the business.
So right now they're doing praline cream cheese. We have a good crew right now, probably about 8 people total, and they'll just do one flavor at a time. We fill them up, if you notice. Like we fill those king cakes up, you know. So it's not like normal place you might have a little cream cheese or something.